Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Brown with the Chiropractic Rehab in Bloomington, Illinois. So today we have with us Sam, who's a patient of ours, and Sam has some ongoing neck pain and some mid-back pain. So today we're going to go ahead and do an adjustment and show you what an adjustment might look like in our office. So Sam, if you're ready, we'll put your face down. Poke you right here. So what we see, Sam, is your left leg is short by about 1/2 inch. When I poke right here, it evens out. So that tells us we're going to adjust your left SI joint right here. You feel how that's tender?
Yeah.
Okay, so just a light drop. And we're going to recheck it. Okay, that looks great. And we also see the right sacrum is a little bit off too. So again, just a light drop. Okay, Sam, put your left hand on your low back. Okay, remove it. Put your right hand on your low back. Now this is off by well over an inch. You see that? We're seeing L4 on the left. So Sam, I'm going to have you lay on this side and face me. You're going to put your head right there. We're going to straighten your bottom leg, bring it to about right here. Let's hold it right there. Let's bring your head back just a tiny little bit. Okay, just a little drop. Beautiful. Let's have you face the other direction. So we're going to straighten the bottom leg, bring it to about right here. Keep it straight if you can. And just a light drop. Beautiful. Let's have you on your back. So we have you take your arms, left arm over the right arm, the other one. There we go. Just going to place a fist under your back and squeeze it, okay? Very nice. Okay, go ahead and relax your arms. Relax that. Sore right in there? Okay. If you want to step over on this side, you can see it a little better. Okay, real easy. Beautiful. And you are good to go.